Today, I hope some more will log into the lesson. So, first of all, I would like to wish the one who ill infected with coronavirus have a speedy recovery, and her family also. And the others, I hope all are stay well, and I hope they also join the lesson too. Okay, uh, shall we look at the lesson? Okay, look at this. What can you see? Wait a minute. Okay, what can you see here? There are four pictures with different colors. So in Sri Lanka, we don't find like these uh, at all, right? Sometimes we can see these three pictures, but normally we don't have this type of a picture in here in Sri Lanka. Okay, today we are going to talk about a poem based on four seasons. Okay, I hope you all have the poem with you. Printed version or other or written in your exercise books. Okay, shall we look at the poem first? Four Seasons by Cecil Francis Alexander. Right? This is the whole poem, but I divided this poem into five parts. So let's look at the spring part. Right? The first stanza. The fields are rich with daffodils. A coat of clover cloaks the hills, and I must dance and I must sing to see the beauty of the spring. So what they are talking here, they are talking about the springtime. It's a very nice time in European, especially in the countries we have four seasons. So these are the daffodils. In springtime, the fields are rich with daffodils. Not like this. There are plenty of daffodils. You can see acres and acres daffodils. Uh, so it's a very nice flower, yellowish color flower, but it faded away very soon. These are daffodils, right? The fields are rich with daffodils. The fields everywhere covered with daffodils. A coat of clover cloaks the hills, just like a hill also covered with just like a cloak, just with a cloak. Cloak means it's a loose coat type thing. So you have seen these things when graduation in graduation ceremonies they wear clothes. So that that's what here they have mentioned. So the hills are covered with daffodils, just like uh, covering with a cloak. And I must dance and I must sing. So the poet likes to dance and she says once again, I must sing to see the beauty of the spring. So to see the beauty of the spring, I must dance and sing. By seeing the beauty, she she uh, uh, she tend to dance and sing. So this is about springtime. Okay, now let's look at the next stanza. It talks about It talks about the summer. The earth is warm, the sun's ablaze. It's a time of carefree days, and bees a buzz that chance to pass may see me snoozing in the grass. So the earth is warm. Why the earth is warm? With the sun's heat, a blaze, a burning sensation of the sun. If you are living in this type of a country, the summer season is very much hot season, and you feel the burning sensation there. If you almost all the people out of the houses, and uh, they normally they gather near the beaches, and they went on go on picnics. They also go on trips, long journeys. So this is the season they have plenty of time to uh, out in the sun, out of the house. So this is the time they get. Normally, the school children get their long school vacation. So it is a time of carefree days. So they don't have normal routine work. They have very freedom. The bees buzz that chances to pass may see me snoozing in the grass. So sometimes you can see me in on the grass, and also I'm snoozing. So it's a little nap, just a little nap. ඔගලන් කියන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් හාන්සි වෙනවා කියලා අන්න ඒ වගේ just like a nap. It takes a nap. So this is the summer season. It's a very, very beautiful, and also the poet talks about the freedom they get because they want the sunshine. So normally in Sri Lanka we have sunshine throughout the year, but in those countries they don't have the sunshine at all throughout the year. So they love to playing out in the sun. Okay, shall we go to the next stanza? This is about autumn. The environment gets very colorful. It's mixture, the trees gets a mixture of green, yellowish color, orange, red, brown. Every color is in the, you can see in the trees and surrounded by. The leaves are yellow, red and brown. A shower sprinkles softly down. The air is fragrant, crisp and cool. And once again, I'm stuck in school. In this season, they have to go to school. Normally, during the autumn season, they have to go to school. The leaves are yellow, red and brown. The environment uh, is going to ready for the winter season. So they are going to shed their leaves. So they are going, the colors of the leaves are changing quickly. Yellow color, the green color turns into yellow, then red. Finally, it becomes brown in color. Showers sprinkle softly down. They don't have more showers. They don't have heavy showers with thunder and lightning. The showers sprinkles, very light showers, just like sprinkles. වතුර මලකින් වතුර විදිනා වගේ වැස්ස ලැබෙන්නේ. බොහොම හෙමින් ලැබෙන වැස්ස. Softly down. So it comes very slowly down. So it's not a very harsh showers. The air is fragrant. වටපිටම හරිම සුවඳයි. මොකද මල් සුවඳ, පළතුරු වල සුවඳ, ඒව ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. ඒ ගස්වල කොළවල සුවඳ, ඒව තියෙනවා. Crisp and cool. They are very crisp and cool. The leaves are in crisp the leaves becomes crispy. දැන් ඔයගලන් දන්නවනේ crispy කියන්නේ අර චර්චර ගාලා හැපෙන සද්දෙටනේ ඔයගලන් කියන්නේ. එතකොට ඒ වගේ මේ කොළ වේල්ලාම ඒව උඩ ඇවිදිනකොට will hear the sound. And the surround environment gets cool, little bit cool. But it's a very colorful season. And once again, I am stuck in the school. So after long vacation of summer, the poet has to go back to school once again. Okay, we'll go to the next part. It's about winter. So it's about winter. What does the poet say? The birds are gone, the world is white, the winds are wild, they chill and bite. The ground is thick with slush and sleet, and I can barely feel my feet. So look at the stanza. The birds are gone. Where they have gone? Where the birds have gone? The birds have gone to warmer places. Normally, you can see some of the birds come from European countries to our country. We call them as migratory birds. They migrate to warmer places. From the cold season, they feel the coldness. So when it comes, by the end of autumn season, they flew away to warmer countries, just like our country, India, Sri Lanka. They come to the warmer zone. They come closer to equator, because in equator, the countries close to equator, they get plenty of sunshine throughout the year. So they come here and they make their nest, and they lay their eggs, and they get their hat. They will have the birds also get their small ones. So once again, when the winter season is finished, they fly away back to their countries. The world is white. Everywhere goes in white color. The trees, most of the trees don't have their leaves, and only the branches are there. So they all get white in color with the snow. The winds are wild. The wind is very harsh with the cold breeze and also the snow. They chill and bite. So the cold, the chill, the wind is very chilly. We feel the harshness of the තියෙන අමාරුකම මේ සීතල දරා ගන්න හරි අමාරුයි. We have to wear warmer clothes. Not one cloth, we have to wear so many clothes to keep our body warm. The ground is thick with slush and sleet. What else you can get? The ground is thick. Why? The ground is thick with snow. When snowdrops come falling, the snowflakes falling, and once they get plenty of snow, it gets hardened. The ground gets hardened with slush and sleet. In some parts of the ground, the snow gets melt, and sleet. You get the rains also with very cold water, very icy water, right? Icy water. You can't feel that coldness. And I can barely feel my feet. You can't go there with bare feet. සැරෙකු නැතුව යන්න බෑ. You have to wear warm shoes. You have to wear boots, and you have to wear very warm clothes which give you warm to your body. The last one. The last is done. The next is here. The same as it is every year. Spring, then sunshine, autumn, snow. That is how each year must go. So look here. The last is done. The next is here. The same as it is every year. Spring, then sunshine, autumn, snow. That is how each year must go. Look at the four pictures. These four pictures is taken from the one in a particular place. So you can see the first picture with plenty of flowers blooming here. So it's the springtime. Then the second picture shows the summer, bare leaves and bare fruits, and everything looks like greenish color. So here you can see the flowers and small buds, right? And small buds of fruits, right? Then look at here. The environment gets changing. It gradually changes into different colors, and the nature is going to shed their leaves. The trees are going to shed their leaves. And now you can see the trees without leaves, but you can see everywhere in white color. You can see the snow, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Okay, look at the last stanza. The last is done, the next is here. So once again, the rotation goes from here to here, right? When the last is winter, once again, after 3 or 4 months, they get the springtime. The next is here, the same as it is every year. So this rotation goes every year without anyone's command. කාගේවත් බලපෑමකින් තොරව ඒක ඒ rotation එක සිද්ධ වෙනවා. Winter, spring, summer, autumn. Once again winter. Spring, then sunshine. So here the season is mentioned as sunshine because they love sunshine. This summer season is sunshine. Autumn, snow. So autumn is here, the snow. That is how each year must go. Okay. Now, shall we go to the activities? You will have activities to do. Take out your exercise books and a pen, and take down these questions first. Or if you like to answer straight away, you can answer by looking at the poem. Write 3 things about the spring. I'll give you some time to write the questions. Then write the questions. First one, write 3 things about the spring. Number 2, what type of a season is summer? What type of a season is summer? Number 3, write 3 things about summer. Write 3 things about summer. Where is the poet snoozing? Where is the poet snoozing? What colors do the leaves get? What sort of a rain you get in autumn? What sort of a rain? මොන වගේ වැස්සක්ද? What sort of a rain you get in autumn? What do you see in the winter? What do you see in the winter? Next question. What is the name of the poet? What is the name of the poet? Write the names of 4 seasons. Write the names of 4 seasons. Write the rhyming words in the poem. Write the rhyming words in the poem. Okay, look at the last question. What is the rhyming words in the poem? Okay, shall we go to the poem once again? Okay, look at the whole poem. You can see the whole poem here. Here, daffodils, hills. They rhyme together. Sing, spring. A blaze, days. Pass, grass. Brown, down. Cool, school. White, bite. Sleet, feet. Here, ear. Snow, go. So these are called as rhyming couplets. කියනවා මේ එකට rhyming words කියලා කියන්නේ එක විදිහට pronounce වෙන words. There are plenty of words you can see. Daffodils, hills, sing spring, ablaze days, past grass, brown down, cool school. Just like you can find some more here. So these are called rhyming words. Okay, shall we go to the questions? Okay. Write the questions first. Okay, look at the questions. The first question, write 3 things about the spring. You can write 3 things. What are the 3 things? You can write uh, about the flowers and about the dance, about the singing, and you can say another thing also. Everything is very fresh. You can see freshness is there. You can write that also. What type of a season is summer? It is very warm season. Write 3 things about summer. What you can get? Plenty of sunshine, carefree life, you get the freedom, and also you get the school holidays. Or you can write, there are fruits, plenty of fruits you can have. Fruits and vegetables, they are very fresh. Uh, the fruits are ripening that season. So, very tasty fruits you can get in that season. Where is the poet snoozing? In the grass. What colors do the leaves get? What colors do the leaves get? Yellow, red, and brown. What sort of a rain you get in autumn? What sort of rain you get in autumn? Very softly sprinkling down. The rain is very soft, just like a sprinkles. What do you see in the winter? Sorry. You can see snow, and you can see white color in everywhere. What is the name of the poet? Can you remember the name? You can write the full name of the poet. Write the names of 4 seasons. That is very easy. What are the 4 seasons? Spring, summer, autumn, winter. And also you can write the rhyming words in the poem. Sorry. Okay, we'll go to the next activity. Write down this. First one is select any season and draw a picture. I talked about 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So select any one of the seasons and draw a picture. You can read the poem and you can imagine. Imagine what you can see in those seasons and write a poem about the picture. Write a small poem about the picture. Okay? Have you written the questions? Select any season and draw a picture. write a poem about the picture. Okay, shall we go to the questions once again? If you did not get enough time to write, now write the questions. Tanya, are you writing? Writing or no? Vinudi, have you finished? Vinudi? Misaki, have you finished? Aliza, have you finished? Okay, if you have finished, raise your hands. Have all finished? Senuri, have you finished? Put your hands up. Anjali, have you finished? Or still writing? Put your hands up if you have finished. Some are still writing. Okay, good. Okay, once again, shall we go to the poem? Right, it's a very nice poem about four seasons, and you can appreciate this poem, right, very well, because this we are talking about four different seasons. We have talked about four different seasons. One is blooming flowers. In springtime, we get blooming flowers. In the summer, we get plenty of sunshine with flowers, fruits, and vegetables. And in the autumn season, it's also very colorful season, but it's going to little bit cool, not like summer or not like springtime. Uh, then the wind is a very harsh season with snow. When you get snow, falling snow, you get somewhat harsh season. So okay. Then I hope you all have enjoyed the poem and learned something new uh, in the poem. Uh, when you come to school, you must get ready with your work, uh, with answers and the picture and your new poem. Right? Okay. Thank you for joining to the lesson, and those who are staying home and those who are infected with coronavirus, uh, I, I wish them all a speedy recovery and take care. The others also take care and have a pleasant week. Okay, goodbye.